Alright guys, so this is where we're at with the house. It's kind of coming together. You can see where you go in through the front door, it's the hallway between which would be Thomas's bedroom, my office. They have the utility room on this side. Let's take a walk around the side. Our neighbor's got a little shotgun house from God knows where, when. That's the side view. So this is going to be a front porch up until where the utility room is. We laughed. It's the recipe to the house. Oh my goodness. So they're working on the house. So exciting. So it's supposed to rain today, but they're trying to get the roof done. Everything is all cut. This little platform here will be our AC system. The HVAC will go there. Since we flood, it has to be elevated. Coming around the back. So just a little, like a little landing, back steps. Good morning. Come around the side. My husband said he took a video yesterday. However, there was nothing on his phone. Oh, sorry, it's hard to walk in. So in the back, I'll be showing Michael's bedroom. And this will be like open kitchen, living room back here. This will be our bedroom. My husband made a point. There's no windows on the side of this house. I'm not gonna walk through. It's a bunch of mud there. I guess I could have backed this up all that time. So this is so exciting, y'all. See if I could do this, tape, and not trip at the same time. Hi, honey. Jeez, just gotta, hey. Look, they were able to save my clotheslines, which was very important to me. So this is the side. Of course, like he said, no windows. Huh? So, let's see if I can get there. We're not supposed to be right here. I said we're not supposed to be right here.
You're not working.
So, front porch.
Just wait till tomorrow. I'll come and sweep all this up.
No, you're not. So, this is pretty cool. So, exciting. So, hopefully today we'll have the roof, you know, the rafters on the roof. Oh, and they got plywood. So, I guess they're gonna finish doing that. Then the next thing will be the roofers will come, and then the HVAC, wiring, all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna have they're gonna finish the roof today. There's gonna be an inspector on Monday, and then they'll start up again on Tuesday. So exciting. And then we'll have a ramp here on this side of the house. So, alright guys, so that's where we are with the house, and excited, and I'll keep you posted. Alright guys, bye.